Hi, my name's Amy Byrne, and I'm a member of the Health Workforce Academy with Central Queensland University. As well as being a member, I'm also the student lead for the Student Advisory Council with HWA. This was created to ensure that all RHD students have a say in what happens at HWA. As well as this, I'm also the lead for a qualitative researchers group that occurs every month. This is a peer-led support group where we write, we present to each other, and we can use that as an opportunity to network and engage from student to student. I'd really encourage you to check it out. As well as being the student lead, I'm also a member of HWA, and I've found this incredibly useful for my own PhD journey. Our HWA offers a number of opportunities for students to engage with industry and also academic experts. We have monthly, if not more frequently, courses that are available on a number of methods and research opportunities. We can engage with industry experts and industry partners looking for research assistance and also grants and things like that. There's also other tools and things available, such as conferences, peer support, writing groups and circles, and much, much more. I'd encourage all students, all RHD students, to get involved with the HWA. You will find that there are a number of experts in any group that you go to, as well as a number of peers, which will offer abundant support to you, and it will be incredibly beneficial to you and your journey. So definitely check out HWA.